everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today. So I'm going to do a 2-page layout, but the background papers for the 2 pages are going to be different. So that paper on the right, that blue paper, is from Echo Park All Boy. It's the Swimming with Sharks paper, which is a great blue. And then I'm going to use another sheet of that, or portion of a sheet of that, to mount the photos on the left. I'm going to just really more use no mounting, or what do I want to say? No matting. That's the word I wanted. No matting for the things on the right. I just want to take the blue paper and give it a presence on the left, I guess is the way to describe that. So then as I do that, the paper on the left, that darling ice cream cone paper, is from Bella Boulevard, My Candy Girl. It's the Stay Cool paper. And so these photos are from my grandkids, stepson, daughter-in-law's family photo shoot from last year. And they did it in the fall. So everybody's dressed in like golds, that kind of thing. They have gold running through outfits. My daughter-in-law is incredible with taking pictures and kind of just doing a really good job coordinating. Even if, like, when we were in Disney, even though the kids were wearing like different shirts and stuff like that, most of the time we all coordinated somehow, which was very cool. At least if you're a scrapbooker, it's very cool. So now I'm going to do, like I said there, I'm going to add the 3 photos here, or 2 photos here. And then that little card, that 3x4 card, is actually just a piece of paper from the Doodlebug Petite Prince bubblegum gingham linen paper. And I just had a scrap of it, and just a tiny little scrap. And I used it because I think it's a perfect match to the pink and the ice cream on that side. So now I am going to add some ice cream cones. These stickers come from the Paper Studios, the La Petite's dimensional stickers, which is Hobby Lobby, in case you're wondering where those came from. So I'm just going to add one on that left side, and I'm using a yellow and blue ice cream cone there. And I'm going to play around a little bit about how like where it actually sits. And so these photos are from their photo shoot. So the kids were bribed with ice cream afterwards because they were so good, and it just helped just get them to be better, I guess, would be one of the things there. Okay, and then I decided to round the corners on the left side to give that a little bit of softness. I didn't want the paper to go all the way across the layout here. I just wanted it to just go partway across. I really wanted to highlight that ice cream paper. And what I'm doing there is I'm lining up the top of the paper with the top of the photos on the right side, the top of that blue paper, just to give it consistency across. Okay, so then again, I popped in a little label sticker there on the left that says "So Good," and it's in a green that matches the ice cream on that side. That's from Ellie Studio Tiny Everyday label stickers, which were from 2019. So that just gives it a little extra presence. And then I added another ice cream sticker from Hobby Lobby, and then that Time to Relax banner there from Ellie Studio Life Right Now stickers from 2022. So just sort of adding little things, because this is life right now with 4 kids. There's another ice cream sticker there, and then I'm playing with what I want to do at the top next to that. So looking again for labels, whatever I can use, and I did find these Ellie Studio green label stickers. They're called label stickers. That's where they come from. I really like how those look. And then I had this little pink sheet of pink stickers, which is old. It's from 2018. I think so. Yeah, 2018, I think. From My Mind's Eye, the collectible tiny word stickers. Yeah, that seems about right. 5 years old. Yep. I loved those Mind's Eye collections back in the day. That Chevy Chic Mind's Eye stuff. All right, so again, playing with a few more stickers, just trying to decide what I want to do here. I found that little sticker from an Illustrated Faith collection. And I'm playing around with that a little bit, trying to get it to work. And then I'm deciding I didn't like it, actually. I was going to cover something and that didn't work. So I found another one, and that came from the Illustrated Faith Remember It cardstock stickers. And just, it says So Yummy, or it has a little heart on it, sorry. And then I added a little So Yummy sticker from an Ellie Studio, but a bunch of Ellie Studio stickers, and I don't have what that's from. It was one that was sort of a miscellaneous collection, I guess. All right, then I'm adding in these enamel dots. They're the Altenew Tropical Forest enamel dots. I like the green, the way the green works here. I think that's really cute. All right, so I have those in. And then I want a title on here. The background is so busy on the left. Not that that prevents me from doing that on a fairly frequent basis, but instead I decided to use these Doodlebug Alphabet Soup swimming pool stickers. Swimming pool is the color. Just to get a little bit of a title on that journaling block. And I don't really need a lot of journaling room there because I wasn't there. It's really just they took the kids for ice cream after their photo shoot. That's the whole story here. So it don't need a lot here. And these will be just fine for photos. So I'm just going to call it After Photos. Make it really simple. Going back into that blue that I've used as kind of like the base color here. I love how the yellow and blue work together and how the yellow works with all gold that everybody's wearing. And then that pop of bright pink to draw your eye to that left-hand page there is pretty awesome the way that worked too. All right, so there's the layout. Here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.